Vakalaganda Padmaja Garu from District 320C. She is an FDI graduate. She is a wonderful speaker. Welcome, Padmaja, and you will be handling the session on women membership. Because today we don't have sufficient membership, though we target so much, but we don't achieve. I think it was only around 25-26% hovering around. And in some district, like my district, it is 31%, and Vijay Kumar Shetty is the district that is 320B is around 35-36%. So I hope with your session, the membership of women would improve in our multiple districts. Thank you. Over to you, Padmaja.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, friends. For the next 15 minutes, I would like to enlighten you on women's membership and new voices. Let me start with a small proverb. A mixture of empathy and brainstorming can move mountains. In continuous with our leaders about membership growth, let me highlight you on also the women's membership. Friends, in the coming years, women's member leadership is expected to be more active in running the world. What is new voices? And why do we need women's membership in Lionism? So first, let us start how and when it is started. New Voices is a program launched in 2018 and 19 by our first international lady president, Lion Gudrun, in 100+ years of glorious services of our global organization to celebrate women's contribution and promote gender equality with Lions Clubs International. The statistics says that the women membership drop is very minimal compared to male membership. In spite of this, there is no proper recognition for women in our organization. With this background, to bring gender equality, our president, woman president, has started this program. In 2019-20, this was expanded by our president, international president, Dr. Jung Yoo Choi, by not only encouraging women into Lions leadership, but also encouraging young and dynamic members and Leos into Lionism. New Voices is all about hearing the story of unheard, learning from each other, and sharing new ideas. How to encourage women membership? Innovation and creativity. Innovation and creativity are the hallmark of this program. We always come across women who are multitasking in their day-to-day activities, right from the fight for independence to the current COVID-19 crisis. Women proved their leadership. New Voices is not only about empowering women's membership, but also inviting youth members and Leos into this program. It is a platform for sharing new ideas and learning different skills from each other. Leos should be given recognition that which will be useful in their career building also, such as creating culture and environment which will ensure learning and development of real-time skills. Further, we should try to tie up with top universities in India and persuade them to give credits for their services and activities as Leos. It encourages each lion out to reach potential lions and share their rich experience that gives an opportunity to grow personally and professionally also. If we walk with diversity, we can embrace new culture, we can embrace new region also, and also create a new platform for new voices. It features a diverse group of lions who strive for excellence in one of our 4 areas: service, membership, leadership, and marketing. Though women are known for multitasking, each one may have special skills in one of the said 4 areas that could be harnessed for the furtherance of Lionism. In our own organization, we know how Helen Keller motivated us when she famously challenged lions to become knights of the blind in the crusade against darkness. And inspired by her, we took the mission of eradication of blindness, impacting hundreds of lives through Sight First program. Today, we are having the credit of curing 40% of blindness across the world. We created a brand image, isn't it? So next comes the role of multiple and district governor in appointing new voice team. Each multiple district is asked to appoint one lion to help promote the program and encourage participation. The multiple district coordinator will work with the Council of Governors to encourage district to nominate a lion for each of the above said categories. This individual is appointed for 1 year and works with the Council of Governors to encourage districts to nominate women lions, youth, or Leos as new voices. In this way, working with district nominees, the multiple district coordinators will help to promote new voices. District governors are a key part of the New Voices initiative, as it is up to them to select 4 new voices in the district. The district governor will identify local new voices and nominate one from each category and appoint the new team in the district events. Next comes the Lions Women's Symposium. A symposium is a gathering at which there is a free interchange of ideas, or a formal meeting at which several experts deliver short addresses on a topic or related topics for an identified purpose. The purposes of a women's symposium is fourfold: identify new community projects that are of interest to women, then identify potential members, promote Lions clubs within the community, charter a new club or a branch club to develop the new community project that has been identified, organizing workshops and symposiums for collaborations with lions and potential lions, and in the process will partner with other like-minded groups to discuss a variety of topics. Present scenario: we new challenges are expected to be faced in the current COVID situation. Difficulty in motivating the members, restrictions in conducting community service activities, difficulty in mobilizing funds, and difficulty in mobilizing funds. We need to be innovative to overcome the COVID challenges by adopting technology, which can be easily adopted in the field of health, education, training, and awareness programs. Please note, a membership growth component is an essential part of the symposium planning. It is required in order to qualify for funding from Lions Clubs International. There is a form which is in Lions portal, which is available in Lions portal. Next comes marketing. Our new voices presence on social media is phenomenal. The public Facebook has more than 10,000 plus members. They are taking up service projects of interest to women, youth, and other represented population by collaborating with Global Action Team, hosting webinars and using innovative technologies to bridge distances. Like, I would like to give my own example. In the year 2016, I jointly with other district club member like Vijay Lakshmi Garu conducted a seminar for NCC girl cadets on women rights and empowerment, and they distributed some service activity also, which was very successful. This proves how collaboration can do wonders. Women leadership in the current pandemic situation has proved to be better and more successful. The women leadership in New Zealand, Taiwan, and Germany has proved their strong, compassionate approach towards the global pandemic by showing the world what would leadership should look like. This proves that women are better equipped and more prepared for facing and managing disasters. It is proved that women are more empathetic. Resources for New Voice program. We can find and learn more about New Voice program through information available in Lions Club International portal as under New Voices Orientation PowerPoint, role of New Voices new nominees, recorded webinars, Women's Symposium, Women's Workshop. Friends, I can say our multiple with the international has taken the right step to invite more women, young and dynamic youth and Leos in this organization. So let us give them our support by inviting and introducing more women into our organization. Take care and stay safe. Thank you. I also thank our multiple for recognizing my talent and giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.